The issue with your network is Wi-Fi. The issue with your browser: network restrictions, outdated extensions on your browser. Turn off your smart TV. Unplug your TV and Wi-Fi router from the power outlet. Press the physical power button on your TV for 20 to 30 seconds. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Now turn on your smart TV and your Wi-Fi router. Connect your TV or streaming device to the router. Click on the three dots from the top right side of the browser and click on the Settings option from the drop-down options. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and select a Clear Browsing Data option. Make sure to select All Time in the time range and click on the blue Clear Data button. Firefox. Open your Firefox browser and click on the Settings gear icon in the top right side of the screen. You can also type About, Preferences # Home. Search this using URL box. Here select Privacy and Security. Now here click Clear Data that is available next to cookies and side data. Now click the Clear button to confirm the removal of cache and cookies from Firefox. Open your browser and click on the Safari from the top left side of the screen. Click on the Preferences option. Here click on Privacy and from the options available below click on Manage Website Data. Now click on the Remove All option to clear cookies and cache on the Safari browser. Click on three dots from the top right side of the screen. Now from the drop-down option go to More Tools and click on Extensions, or you can simply type Chrome://extensions/ and search to open extensions settings on Chrome. Now click on the Remove button to delete the extension from the Chrome browser. Click on the gear icon to open Firefox settings. Now from the bottom left side click on the Extensions and Themes option. Now click on Extension from the left side of the screen. You'll get the list of all the installed extensions on your Firefox browser. Now remove or disable extensions to fix Netflix error code UI3010 on your device. First of all, make sure your Chrome data is synced to your Google account. Now press the Windows button, Start, Search and open the Control panel. Select Uninstall a program. Locate and uninstall Google Chrome or the browser you're using from the list. Visit Chrome official website and download the latest version of Chrome. Now locate the file and install it on your PC. If reinstalling the browser didn't help in fixing error code UI3010 on Netflix, then try using another browser. If you're facing this issue on Chrome, then you can try installing a new browser to stream Netflix. Try installing another browser like Firefox, Opera, etc. You can also face Netflix error code UI3010 due to slow internet speed. You need to improve your Wi-Fi speed to fix Netflix error code UI3010. To do this you can move your router close to the device you're using to stream Netflix. If your router is in a lower place in your home, move it to some place high like a cupboard to improve your internet speed and strength of your Wi-Fi signal. Open Chrome and click on the three dots from the top right side of the screen, and click on the Settings option. Click on Cookies and Other Side Data. On this page turn off Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic.